Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about the project that we have done titled Virtual Machines Laboratory. Let's see about that. These are the files that we have developed for Virtual Machines Laboratory. Now I am going to the main page. So this is the main page for our Virtual Machines Laboratory. Actually, this is the page for a virtual laboratory where the various laboratories are present. So in future, there will be laboratories developed. Uh, those laboratories are present here. So as of now, for our laboratory, uh, we add the electrical machines lab. This is the link which will redirect you to the electrical machines lab. Before that, there's a small note given about our college. Let's get started with the electrical machines lab. So this is the page for electrical machines lab. So there are three experiments given. So we developed a total of three experiments. Let us see one by one. First, I am going to open circuit test on single phase transformer. So this is the page for open circuit test on single phase transformer. So as you see here at first, it shows the welcome note about the experiment. So the experiment contents about the particular experiments were given at the left side as navigation bar. Let me quickly navigate through the page. So this is the aim page where the aim is present for the experiment. This is the apparatus used. The apparatus used in this experiment are tabulated uh, as using HTML table. So the theory. So students can quickly refer the theory and they can proceed with the experiment. This is the procedure and precautions required or to be followed for the experiment. Simulator part. Before that, this is the formula. So student who are carry out the experiment can go through the formula here. So finally, the quiz part. So there are five questions given. So students can choose the answers. And when students click the submit button, it shows the wrong answer as a red mark and the right answer as green mark. So let's go to the simulator part. Now I am quickly review the simulator. So this is the simulator. So some features for the simulator is given here. You can see the procedure label shows the quick reference of the procedure. When I move the cursor to over it, and in right side there are some features given. Let us see one by one. First, this is the transformer rating. We can select the transformer rating as we want. So I am selecting the 3 kVA transformer and fixing it. So now you can see that in the circuit also it changes to 3 kVA transformer. So let me select the transformer ratio. I am selecting 1:2 and fix it. You can see the ratio will change here is 120 125 volt bar 250 volt transformer. So before that, when I move the variac before switching on the supply, it shows turn on the supply. So this messages uh, we included in order to maintain the precautions. So let me quickly conduct on sample experiment. So I'm turning on the supply. It shows some indicator which the supply is given to the circuit. Now I am go along with the procedure. Now I am turning the variac to the rated voltage. Here the rated voltage is 125 as we set as 1:2 transformer. So regarding open circuit test, we will choose only the one reading. So now I am just pressing add readings to the table. It automatically adds the readings for me. Also, similarly, now I am press the find equivalence parameters. It finds the equivalence parameters for me. So that's all about the open circuit test. Let me go through the short circuit test. So the similar things are given. At first there is a welcome note. Then aim for the short circuit test, the apparatus used, the theory, the procedure, the formula, simulator, and quiz. Let me quickly review about the simulator. So here regarding short circuit test, there is only one change. The secondary is short circuited. That's all. The similar features as we seen in the open circuit test is given here also. Let me quickly conduct the one experiment. Uh, Regarding short circuit test, as for the procedure, we have to set the rated current. So here I have chosen 5 kVA transformer. So the rated current is about 20 amps. So 20 amps has been set. So now I am add readings to the table. So the readings were added. Then I am pressing the find equivalent parameters. It finds the equivalent parameters through the JavaScript that is fed back into the backend of the simulator. Okay, now I am just entering into the load test and transformer. So this is the load test and transformer. The similar things, the aim, apparatus used, the theory, procedure, formula and model graph, simulator, and quiz. So let us review about the simulator. So this is the simulator for load test and transformer. So here, as you see, the load and the secondary meters are present. Okay, now I am quickly conduct one experiment. Let me turn on the supply. I now I am go along with the procedure. As per the procedure, I have to set the rated voltage. Here the rated voltage is 250. You can see all the readings were changing. I have set the rated voltage. So the change of readings happening by considering the exact theory model, and we are modeling. I mean, we are converting the exact theory model into a simulation. So now I am add readings with the table. Now I am just adding the load and add readings to the table. Adding the load readings to the table. You can see that in right side the efficiency and regulation it is showing. Let me add the load till it reaches 100 percentage. So the load is added to 100 percentage. Now you can see the all the readings that you have taken is tabulated here. So if you want to remove some readings, you can go here by just entering the serial number of it. For example, I am going to remove the row 8, serial number 8. I just enter in the serial number and delete readings from the table. So the row with serial number 8 has been deleted here. So regarding this experiment, we need to conduct, I mean, plot a graph. So we enable that feature. So now I am pressing the plot graph. It it plots graph for me. You can see here. So it plots two graphs. One is output power versus efficiency. Another one is output power versus regulation. If I move my cursor into a particular point, it shows the corresponding output power and efficiency. Similarly for regulation. So that's all about the experiment. So we have done three experiments regarding electrical machines lab, and the results obtained and tested were more accurate, and we analytically compared the results and found the accuracy which is more accurate. Thank you.